In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the spaces you're listening to on X, formerly known as Twitter, so your followers won't be able to see when you're tuning in as an audience member. This is a quick privacy setting, but it can make a big difference if you want a little more control over what people can see on your account. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tips. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your X account. Once you're on the main home screen, look at the left-hand sidebar and click More. This opens up the full menu with additional settings and tools. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Inside that menu, choose Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps most of the account visibility and privacy controls. Now scroll down through the Privacy and Safety options until you find Spaces. Click on Spaces to open the settings related to live audio rooms. This is the section where X lets you control what other people can see about your activity in Spaces. Here, look for the setting that says Allow followers to see which spaces you're listening to. If this option is turned on, your followers may be able to see that you're listening in to a space. If you want to hide that activity, simply switch the option off. That's the key step. As soon as you turn it off, your followers should no longer be able to see the spaces you're listening to from your profile activity. If you ever want to make that visibility public again, you can come back to this same spot and turn the setting back on. That's useful if you want your followers to know when you're joining spaces and discovering live conversations. The good news is that this setting saves automatically, so you don't need to press a separate save button. Once you turn it off, you can just back out of the settings page, and you're done. Now, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Even if you hide the spaces you're listening to, people inside the space can still see that you are there. So this setting does not make you completely invisible in the room. Also, followers can still see spaces that you are hosting, co-hosting, or speaking in. This option only applies to spaces you're listening to as an audience member. So if your goal is to reduce visibility while casually listening in, this is exactly the setting you need. It's fast, it's built into X, and it gives you a simple way to control your privacy without changing anything else on your account. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.